Hi everyone, good day. So we are now on our um, quarter four for health component under MAPE. Okay, so I have here pictures. By the way, please watch until the end so that you will know what is required to submit for today. So dapat matanaw gid ta, okay? Dili mag-skip-skip. And you listen because nag-explain ko diri every slide. Sige, let's start with the picture. So, I want you to identify what profession or career is reflected on each picture or is sa mga pictures, okay? Start with the first one. So, what do you think or what career is this, do you think? Or profession? Okay, correct. They are mga healthcare workers. Specifically, we call them nurses. Okay. Next, how about this one? Okay, engineer. Next. Okay, very good. Lawyer or pwede po siya judge. Kini. Yes. Chef or particularly, ano sa tawag ani niya nag-decorate og cake? Pastry chef. Very good. How about this one? Pwede siya mahimong profession or career ha. Kaning mag-perform ta in front of the crowd. Mga professional dancers, particularly in this one, they are ballet dancers. Sas dagko kaning bayad kung ato tas gawas, no? Even in the Philippines, kung masud lang gyud ka atong mga prestigious companies or groups, nindot pad kag sweldo. How about this one? Yes. Naibata sa luyo. Blackboard. Okay, they are. Or he is teacher. How about this one? Mm-hmm. Unsa man ni? Guwapa kay tanan. Okay, pwede siya na siya showbiz industry o show business. Career pud na siya. Okay, kadagko kay nagkwarta sila, no? Okay. This one. Oh, naisunog sa unahan. So, of course, they are called. Okay, firefighters. Now, what do you think is our lesson for today? Okay, so here's our topic for today is planning for a health career. Okay, ma'am, nganong na ay health? Why not planning lang for a career? Okay, because in our subject is if you observe MAPE, particularly health component. So kini ang atong explore is the different career under healthcare. So, mag-explore ta diri daghan kaayong klase sa career under health, no? Maybe not all of you want to be under the healthcare industry, but then again, basin pa di ay og nakay ma-realize sa ato ang kanang klase karon. Anyway, kuan naman pud ni siya. For you to explore since padung naman mo mag grade 11. This is at the same time career guidance ninyo. Okay, so what is a career? Simply a career is an occupation or profession that requires special training. Okay, kung mo taog career, di ba? Unsay kanang murag siya kay paminawon ang career, no? But simply kanang ang ato ang mga professions or occupations, we say occupation trabaho that we want to pursue in the future. Okay? Then what is important with career is that it requires special training. For example, in the previous pictures that I showed you, we have nurses, firefighters, showbiz, kanang performer, naputay ballet dancers, natay pastry chef. You cannot be like those if you haven't undergone special training. So in this case, we are going to familiarize you with the different health careers. Okay? See. So here are some reasons why you might want to pursue a health career. So aside from making a difference in people's lives, kay Nganong make a difference man ni ma'am? Okay, of course, we are taking care of people's health manggod ani. So aside from that, good salary, job security, secure itong trabaho ani kay pinangita kaayo ni. Do work that interests you. If you love helping people, then finding a health career that fits your educational plans, a clear path to advancement. Yes, you have a chance to be promoted, ani niya. And you may work or not work with people, no? Pwede ka makaserve as a healthcare professional, mag-atubang kag tao pwede, like doctors, nurses, pwede pud ka dili matubang og tao. Ikaw lay tigbasa sa mga results like laboratory, so pwede ra kay na siya. So you have the option. Okay? So what are the steps in career planning? So before digging into those different health career pathways, for today, ang ato ang main topic is the steps in career planning. Unsay kinahanglan or una natong buhaton before ta musud og career. So we have here the components and steps in making a health career plan. Number 1 is self-assessment. Number 2, career exploration. Number 3, decision making. And number 4, plan of action. Ato ni silang tagsa-tagsaon. So let's start with self-assessment. From the term itself, self, atong kaugalingon, assess, atong tan-awon, atong i-check, i-test. Unsa tong buhaton with self-assessment? So, discover your personal strengths through self-assessment, like what are your values? What are your interests? Unsa mga ganahan nimo? Unsa imong personality? Testing and skills and etc. So, you're going to assess yourself, unsa day akong ganahan? Kinsa akong gustong serbisyuhan? Oh, unsa nga klase sa environment akong gusto, so inana na siya. That's part of career planning, self-assessment. Next, we have number 2. So number 1 is self-assessment. The second one, or the second step, is career exploration. So from the name career exploration, you are going to explore the different career. So you can explore different careers and work environments through career fairs, online research, meetings, internships, alumni connections, and professional resources. So in this step, mugawas diri ang katubit ang mga career fair, but sa pagkakaroon, usually grade 12, gi gisigihan ana no last week in our school we niadto ang St. James, so daghag na ngadto, but since grade 10 man mo pwede ra ta mo atong mga career fair katong nahitabo sa SHS Expo dito sa STEC kato. Okay, then kanang online research, you may also do research online. Meetings, ma'am, asoy makig-meeting ay depende na nimo basig na kay mga kuya or na ay mga online kana bitang seminars regarding this, yes, pwede kayo mong attend. Internships, kani atong gitawag sa senior high school o immersion, pwede na pud na. Alumni connections and professional resources. Okay, so career exploration, again, exploring. Pwede ka magpangutana, pwede ka mag-research, pwede ka mangutana para matubag imong daghang queries about that certain career nga gusto nimong i-pursue. Third step is decision making. After self-assessment, after career exploration, so naka-self-assess na kag unsa imong gusto sa imong self, naka-explore na kag mga career nga unsa kay nindot nga ngayon sa kang personality. So ari na pud ta sa decision making. You are going to make a decision na. So before you decide on taking a career that works for you, you can evaluate and narrow down your options through listing the pros and cons. So in this step or in this stage, maglista na ka sa pro, unsay nindot or positive, and cons, unsay bati or negative. Okay. Comparing your personal strengths and interests and deciding which career fulfills both current and future goals. So do not forget nga dapat pang future pod ang atong pagdesisyon sa atong career. Dili lang kay tungod Mao ni ang gusto sa imong uyab karon or imong idol or imong crush, mao lang pod imuhang isunod, mosunod dayon kaniya, no. Think of your future. Makabuhi ba ni nako? Makapalit ba ni sa akong gusto? Kung magpamilya ko puhon, makasustainer ba ning career nga akong gusto? So, kana siya. Okay? So, the fourth and the last step is plan of action. Magplano na ta unsaon pag-achieve ang atuang gusto nga career. So, plan achievable goals. Narong spelling ang achievable sa slide. Plan achievable goals and develop strategies to reach your goals. Organize your goals into smaller steps. Identify actions for each step. Utilize helpful people and resources. Review and adapt your plan regularly. So, unsay buhaton nato diri sa plan of action? Mag lista na ta step by step. Unsay una natong buhaton? Example, you want to become a nurse someday or you want to become a teacher someday. Unsa may una na akong buhaton? O dapat makapasar ko sa grade 10, maka-eskwela ko sa STEM. O dayon magpa-enroll din ko sa PADWA or adto ba karon sa syudad, depende nimo. Okay, so kana. Then dapat achievable siya. In other words, smart. Unsa man smart, ma'am? Specific, measurable, attainable, ah realistic, and time-bounded. So when we say specific, kanang mahimo, kanang dili siya tangible siya ba kanang specific gud ba? Klaro kana. Measurable, okay. Attainable, okay. Dili siya imposibleng kabuton. Realistic, and time-bounded. Meaning dili siya dugay mahuman or kanang how should I explain this? Kanang dili mga imposible nga steps ba kana siya. That's the point of doing it smart. Okay? Identify actions for each step, no? Like kinahanglang makapasar ko, kinahanglan makaabot akong grades og in ani. Kana kay mo gini sa pagkakaroon mo gini angay ninyong buhaton. O dili usa magsigi og kanang laag-laag kay if mo focus usa sa pag-attain sa grado nga 90 baron kay ganyan kang nindot nga kurso o kana magdepende pod ba na sa ato ang grado sa junior high and senior high, no? Okay. Utilize helpful people and resources. Okay? And review and adapt your plan regularly. So, maglista ta, ato po na siyang bisitahon permi, atong i-check. Uy, na-achieve ba ka ni akong goals, no? Nakuan ba ka ni ang mga steps nako, no? Na-achieve ba ka ni nako? Okay. So, again, those are the 4 steps in career planning. Okay. So, in the next slide, you are going to answer it in a 1/2 crosswise. Okay, sige. So, in a 1/2 crosswise, you answer this one. This will serve as our assessment. Duharon inyong output ha for today. This one and then your performance task. So, sige, later I will explain it. Kanila una. So, do you think following the steps in career planning effective? Why? Okay, so you're going to answer this one in a 1/2 crosswise. Please, dili mag-chat GPT or mag-Gemini. You answer honestly. Bahalag kanang binayabas. You answer it from your brain. Kana. Based on what we have discussed. Do you think following the steps in career planning effective? Okay. Epektibo ba ka ang pagsunod aning upat? What do you think? Upat ka steps. 1/2 crosswise. Okay. To be submitted when the suspension will be lifted. So, andama lang yun rong adlaw. Okay. So, performance task, maigo ni siya performance task number 2 sa health. The first one is your career bag. And the second one is this. So, dili na mo mag-bring, no? Kay, kuan naman ni ADM naman ta. So, you're going to need the following short bond paper. Okay. Coloring materials, mga colored paper, ruler, arts material. Okay. Ingat mo sa ni pagwapahan. Mas maining pagwapahan, ha? This is your kanang performance task. So, ato gining pagwapahan, Ginoo ko para in town makabawi-bawi mo. Especially sa naay mga gagmay grades before. Okay. Okay, so in a short bond paper, you are going to create your personal career development plan. So help yourself get better at anything that you were planning to discuss for some time but never happened. Focus on things you like to do and write it down. So this one, okay, you're going to copy this in the shortband paper. You can make your own kanang format ha, as long as maansira ni ang tanan nga question. Okay? So what is my goal? What is your goal man in life? So let's specific on a specific career ha. Okay. So what is my goal? Okay, I want to be a teacher or I want to be an engineer. Why do I want to do it? Nganong ganahan man ko mahimong engineer? Okay, so you state why. Then the third question, when will I achieve it? Kanus ako ni siya sugdan og achieve. Okay na. Next, how will I do it exactly? So, ari nimo isuwat ang imuhang steps. Oh, number one, example, if you want to become an engineer, number one, kanang achieve 90% grade in science, math, o unsa pa na diha nga mga subject para madawat ka sa STEM. Okay. Number two, enroll in. Number three, make sure to pass. Sunod, kanang oh, research. Oh, kanang mga inana. So, dili na ibutang sa how will I do it exactly. Next, what will count as a success? Unsa imong metrics? Unsa imong measurement nga na success ka sa imong career planning? Okay, number one. So, ang imong gisuwat diri sa how will I do it exactly, kung ma-achieve na nimo, mo na siya will count as a success. Example, achieve 90% grade in my grade 10 all subjects. So, what will count as a success? Ang imong isuwat diha, achieving 90% grade in my grade 10 card or report card. O pwede po. Being enrolled in, asa ka nga school gusto. So, kana. So, that will count as a success. Next, what do I need to remember? Unsa ni diri nga part? So, this is the part nga kung mura bitaw kag mawa sa focus, what what should be on your mind? Unsa mga inspiration nimo? Ari na nimo isuwat. What do I need to remember for you to focus on your career planning or on your goal on that specific career? Napunta sa ubos. What am I good at? Kani siya, this is part of the self-assessment. So, what am I good at? Asa ko maayo? Good in math? Good with problem solving? Good with dealing with people? Yeah, things like that. Pwede na na. Next question. What I would like to know more about? Unsa pay ganahan nimong makatunan? Example, di kay ka maayo mo atubang og tao. So, imong ibutang diha, I want to be more sociable. I want to learn on how to socialize properly. O kana, especially if you want mga hospitality industry related career, no? Next question, what I would like to be better at. Isa ka mas mauna ka ani pero ganahan ka nga mauni ma-improve within yourself, no? Sa kini, diri dapita. Example, kahibaw ka nga maayo kang mo MC, but dili pa ka ingon ana ka expert. So ibutang I want to be better more with hosting. Okay na, no? Then, what kind of skills would I like to have? So, nga ripod nga part, kanining mga skills nga wala pa ka, pero gusto ka nga naa nimo. Example ako, the skills that I would like to have is cooking. Kay, di mo siya kay kung maayong muluto, no? Hindi ganun kasarap, char. Bitaw, so kana siya. Okay? So, I hope I am clear with the personal career development plan. And, ako gani siyang ipakang sa inyong career bag, ha? So, dapat kung mapas kag career bag, mapas pod kag personal career development plan. So, both 200 points. Okay? Sige. Performance task in health. So, for questions and queries, pangutana lang sa atuang GC. So, I hope I am clear. Goodbye and have a good day.